Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer a mega folder to Google Drive. Let's get started. Once you reach your web browser, you're going to go to the search bar and you're going to search up multi-cloud. You will then look for a link which says multi-cloud, focus on transferring across clouds. So www.multicloud.com. So we're going to click on the first link over here. Then it'll say focus on transferring across clouds. Get started for free, no credit card needed. So you're going to click on this blue button over here. And once you're done doing that, you're going to create an account either by using your email or your Gmail. You will then be greeted by this page which says multi-cloud, focus on transferring across clouds. So under the heading which says My Online Services, you're going to click on Add Cloud, and then you're going to see a bunch of clouds here, personal clouds, Google Drive. So in today's video, we're going to be using Google Drive and Mega. Another thing to keep in mind, you have to ensure that you are logged into your Google Drive and your Mega account. So here I have three tabs open. My Drive, that's my Google Drive over here. Multi-cloud is open and my Mega account is open. So make sure all three of them are open. So we're going to go back now. So now under personal clouds, I'm going to select Google Drive. Now you just need to sign into your Google account. And as you can see here, multi-cloud has all of my Google files from my Drive. So if I go back to my Drive, here are my files. And if I go back to multi-cloud, you can see that it has copied all the files from my Google Drive to multi-cloud. So now what we need to do is go back to Add Cloud. And now we're going to select Mega instead of Google Drive. So now it just says display name Mega. So you're going to add in your email address and password. And as you can see here, I've logged into my Mega account through multi-cloud, and it has this file which I added to my Mega. So here it says Mixkit Driving Ambition. So if I go back to multi-cloud after logging into my Mega, now it says Mixkit Driving Ambition. So it has linked to my Mega account. So now what you need to do is select the file that you're trying to transfer from Mega to your Google Drive. I'm going to select Mixkit Driving Ambition over here. So now I'm going to choose Copy To from above and select Google Drive and press OK. And as you can see there in the corner, it says Progress. So now it's transferring the file from my Mega to my Google Drive. Okay, so now it has transferred the file from my Mega to my Google Drive. I'm going to go to the left and select Google Drive this time. And as you can see here, Mixkit Driving Ambition 32, the file has now been transferred to my Google Drive. And there you have it. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.